Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change home screen layout into home screen only on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. And okay guys, you all have to do is press and hold on your screen in your Samsung Galaxy A02 to see the home screen setting below. Okay, you'll have to do is click home screen settings. And okay guys, here in home screen setting, okay, you can see on the top the home screen layout. Okay, you'll have to do is click home screen layout. And now here on home screen layout, okay, keep things organized by arranging your widget and favorite apps on the home screen. All your apps will be shown on the app screen. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change into home screen only. And okay guys, you only have to do is select the home screen only. And after you select the home screen only, click apply button. And okay guys, we have successfully changed the home screen layout into home screen only. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.